So these are our twisted aluminum sunshade systems. So when your building calls for more than just mitigating solar heat gain and glare, the twisted system really allows you to make the architectural statement that many buildings lack. And these are actually fins that are physically twisted. So traditionally, historically, to create that movement, there was a couple ways you could do it. You could have a motorized system where you had these really expensive, complex mechanical gears that are bending the shapes, which really adds to the coordination, scheduling issues, and maintenance issues, not to mention the added cost.
Yeah.
So we've noticed this trend where movement is required. In some instances that you're taking fixed blades and putting them at different angles. So we've decided to experiment with taking the actual metal fin and twisting it.
Okay.
So here on display, we have our rectangular tube blade. This is a 12-inch deep by 2-inch deep blade. It's twisted at 4.3 degrees per foot. We also have an airfoil shape available, which twists at 5.6 degrees per foot. So we do have a couple different options. They can be mounted sequentially, as you see here, or irregularly to create your own unique pattern on the building. And some of the vertical markets that we've seen these on are sports venues, office buildings, educational facilities, hospitals, and particularly in the past couple of years, parking garages have become a trend in architectural facade design because it used to be this concrete monolithic structure that was housed next to a really nice office building.
Right.
You know, it was just there for utilization.
Just
right?
functional.
Utility.
Put your cars,
put your cars in there.
Yeah.
But with a system like this, especially with the capability to span anywhere from 10 to 12 feet vertically, meaning deck to deck, you can really make that building part of the overall design in the area.
Nice.
So we're really excited about that
So
opportunity.
this is like, I thought this was wood. This is not wood.
No, this is not wood. This is finished in a wood grain powder coat texture. So it gives you the ability to have that natural look. So a lot of our brochures are going to show these parking garages, they're going to show office buildings, but this is a product that can be brought into the interior of the building as well. So if you have a lobby that you want to have that warm, welcoming space, the wood grain texture is a really good option.
Nice.
But we do have these fins available in our standard aluminum finishes that come with the AMA 2605 20-year warranty. So it could be your regular powder coat, could be a metallic, micropearlescent, and we even have what's called color shift.
Okay.
So that the blade will actually change colors. So as you're walking along vertically, you have that illusion of movement. You can also have that change in color. Yeah. So there's a lot of different options. I'm sure the people viewing at home are going to have access through our website to all of these different visualizations. But another thing that we always stress at CS is being involved in the design early on.
Okay.
So with a system like Twisted and even Corian, you know, architects are going to want to come up with their own designs. So we really recommend contacting our local rep, contacting the factory direct, so that we can assist with creating a 3D PDF drawing of this. And so it really gives you the idea of how it's going to look, and you can look at it from all different angles with that type of software. So it's really helpful.
So how are these fins shipped and installed?
That's a great question, and that's another benefit. These are shipped in assembled sections, which makes installation easier, especially when you have something that's twisted and mounted irregularly. We sequence all of this in our factory. So this is going to come out installed, and it's going to go up just like panels.